I'm going to explain you what is meant by business entrepreneurship in this particular lecture. Let's get started with the basics first. Before starting your business, you need to understand what actually entrepreneurship is. In general, entrepreneurship is defined as the capacity or willingness to undertake and manage an enterprise or even a small business. Basically, people who organizes and manages their enterprise are called as entrepreneurs. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you should have the following 5 things. Number 1 is passion. If you want to succeed in anything, the first thing is you should have the passion on that particular thing. It is not possible to be successful if you don't have passion on it. So start your business with ideas in which you are interested about. Number 2 is perseverance. It is something that deals with the risk you need to take in your business. All kind of business will have obstacles in some way or the other. So starting business is not something that happens overnight and turning your idea into reality. Therefore, make sure you're not losing your hope, rather try standing up each time you get knocked down in your business. Number 3 is self-belief, hard work and discipline dedication. A good entrepreneur enjoy what they do. Sometimes they will also be stubborn in what they do and what they want. So as an entrepreneur, you have to be confident and dedicated towards your project. Number 4 is adaptability and flexibility. As I said before, stubbornness engaging with your business ethics is good. But also you have to be flexible sometime while dealing with your clients, or else your market will be a failure. The final thing is money management. It is the important part in developing a successful entrepreneurship. Now, as I said before, it takes some time to develop a profitable entrepreneurship venture. So you need to maintain or save some money from your capital, and it should be used wisely. So try to follow all the above qualities if you really want to become a good entrepreneur.